Hello everyone. Today topic data center. Data center design. Virtual data center design related content now making. So everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel name is I don't know. Sorry. So this is my channel. Is very good channel. This is all data related content, data base and other topic content I am uploading. So data center switch, so that everyone, this is data center switch. This is Gazipur shop. This switch available, please order the place. So everyone, this is contact now, and this everyone, this is data center design, virtual data center design. I am always talking data center related content. So everyone, I hope my মুখ লেগে যায়. So now not finally. So now this product. So everyone, I showed this is good product. This is good product. This is Pujor box. This is good products. Now another product show. So this is Jewel Bhai, this coming. But Jewel Bhai, how are you?
I'm fine, bhai.
I am fine. So this is TikTok related content making, Jewel Bhai. This is router. This is my same router. Look at this, it's same. My router, this router same. So everyone, this is band rickshaw power player. So that's this four antenna. This is sent Q&A. So everyone, I hope this content is very bad quality. So no problem. I am always talking this man that I has all company this product. This data center switch. This internet Ethernet switch.
Internet is selling food.
Enterprise Ethernet is many put. This is router. This is Sosta company. This is product. This is garments machine. So that garments machine. This is many work actual work at this companies. This machine. So that this supply same. Only 2003-5. This is not is bad. So this product, my product, I am buy this website same category, but some mistake. So everyone, I hope this good video. Now my video ends. Goodbye, Tata. Again new video coming soon, but I hope this not a good video. So bye.